I was finishing up my first year in chemistry and I was just kind of going through the motions, and then I got to organic chemistry, and on the first day of class I knew. Something weird just happened. I instantly knew that this was going to be very important to me. Hey,
how's it going?
So we had the 2 reactions fail today in lab, so I think we should just probably write up what went wrong and just kind of figure that out.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Cool.
Allison is a little different because she's just so intrinsically curious about organic chemistry. She devours it. She wants to learn more and more. She's obsessed with learning more about how the mechanisms work. She came into the lab learning how to do the techniques, and now she's blossomed into a leader in my laboratory.
So I'll have Hannah and Kyle finish up with the filtrations and the workups on this, and then we'll get it reset up and start it on Tuesday.
That sounds great.
All right, great. I'll see you later. So when I came to Cal Poly, I was an English major, and I instantly knew that English wasn't what I wanted to do, and I was lost. I took calculus and I took chemistry in the winter quarter of my freshman year, and about 5 or 6 weeks into my chemistry course, I realized this stuff is really clicking for me, and I think I like it. So I went down to the chemistry department in week 8, and I talked to the head of the department, and 2 weeks later I was a chemistry major. All right, what's up? How's it going?
Good, just starting TLC.
Okay, so obviously these 2 reactions didn't work for us this time. So the Frost Fellowship Program through the College of Science and Math essentially makes it so that undergraduates can have a real learn by doing experience. At a large institution like an R1, maybe like the UCs, I would just be working under a grad student and never really have the opportunity to work as a collaborator with a professor. That was basically it.
We should do a titration sometime
We should actually.
to see what's going on here, because this is unusual.
I'd be down. Next week. All right, cool.
The Journal of Organic Chemistry is one of the top journals in my field, so there's this external validation for the work that she's put in.
It kind of just means there's a bunch of doors that are now open for me. It means that it's going to make it a little more achievable for me to get into grad school, which is just like a huge relief for me. My dream job is to be an organic chemistry professor. So it's like I don't really want anything else. I love to teach. I love the opportunity to be a mentor, and I love being in lab. And it's just weird when you know that you found it. And I know exactly what I want to do. It's like my life path was just kind of laid out for me that day in organic chemistry. Was that okay? Okay.